Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am cleaning. I got so lazy during quarantine and I just let myself go as far as house stuff is concerned. I don't think I hung up a single article of clothing during quarantine, and that's about to change today. I figured it could be fun to talk to you guys while doing so. Paused my crime junkies just so I could film this. I mean, that's what we're dealing with today, kids. We are dealing with this. I am disgusting. Wish I was one of those people that was clean, but claims they're messy, but in reality it's a dainty messy, you know, they put one thing of garbage on the table and they're like, oh my god, I'm so messy. Now that we've got that established, I'm going to start cleaning and you guys are gonna join along. I have so much clothes. Pardon my outfit today. It's a cleaning day. As you can see, most of my shirts are white. I feel like I should probably get rid of some white. The problem is I am super attached to white tops and I never want to get rid of them. But unfortunately, there comes a time when you haven't worn it in years that you should probably get rid of it. I don't want to do that. My Stevie Nicks shirt from Reformation needs to go. I got this shirt from Reformation. I love it, but I'm not a big t-shirt person like this. I'm also gonna get rid of this Rails linen shirt because I never wear it. Goodbye Rails shirt. Right now we're going through my whites section because I have so many white things. It's my favorite color to wear on top and I just need to get rid of some stuff. But there's this Loewe shirt that I love. Got this from Poshmark or not Poshmark. I got this from ThreadUp for $5 or not $5. Who am I can't talk at all today. Okay, so we're gonna keep that. We're gonna get rid of, no, we're gonna keep that. We're gonna keep this. I don't know. So here is an LPA shirt that I love, but the problem is I have this puffy LPA shirt around Coachella time last year, and then I also have this LPA shirt that's puffy. You know what I mean? How many LPA puffy shirts do I need? Don't answer that question because I will probably keep them all. So this is a Forever 21 shirt that I wore basically my entire single life in between my ex-boyfriend and Cody. I would wear it out all the time. It's a dupe for a Show Me Your Moo one. And while this has so many memories connected to it, it's time for her to go. I haven't worn that in forever. Because of quarantine, I haven't been wearing any of my clothes, but this shirt needs to be worn because it's cute. Well, let's be honest, kids, I wear the same outfit pretty much every single day. While I love my Song of Style stuff, this bodysuit has never been worn, which is probably a good sign because I've had it for 6 months. It's probably never going to get worn. I have this set from Lovers and Friends from last year's Coachella that I think is so cute. It's just so vibrant and fun, but I haven't worn it since last year's Coachella, so bummer. Goodbye. Also keeping this. I love this shirt. Oh my god. This was a splurge from last year. It's a Chloe t-shirt. Love it. I don't know. It's just really subtle. Well, I don't know. It might not be subtle, but we can pretend. This is a literal walk down memory lane for me. This set I wore in LA for Revolve Around the World LA or something like that with Caitlin. She's gotta go. I haven't worn it in so long, but it's such a Clueless vibe. I love it. Should I get rid of it? Yeah, probably. Another Song of Style set, keeping it. Okay, now we're on purple, and the only two purple things I have is this top, which, yes, it's not the most practical thing in the entire world, but it sparks way too much joy to get rid of. It reminds me of the Fendi bag that Carrie Bradshaw wears in the scene where she gets her baguette stolen. If you know, you know. And then this Song of Style set. I love it. I'm keeping it. So we got rid of a pile. There's the pile so far. But I'm going to let go of one of my favorite vintage sets. It pains me to do this, but this one with the fringe, I like never wear it. I have never worn this tie-dye suit because it doesn't fit right, so goodbye. I will never get rid of this set. Same with this set from when we went to Manchester. There we go. Starting to be able to see the floor. That's improvement, kids. So we're cleaning this up. Stuff that will be like listed on Poshmark and donated obviously are going to get washed, but this is like the stuff that I need to get washed that are like not getting donated. So that's the flow of everything right now. Okay, now I'm going to clean out the maxi dress area slash jumpsuit area. There are some things I feel like I need to get rid of, but I just don't really want to get rid of them, but we'll see. We'll see how this goes. So I have this maxi from LPA. If you guys are seeing the repeating thing, I love LPA. But the thing is I have it also in a brown shade. So which one should I keep? I think I'm gonna ask on Instagram. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Just asked you guys on Instagram which one I should keep. So, I don't know. I'm kind of thinking I should keep the brown. Zara dress, while I really enjoyed it in the winter time, I think I only wore it one time, which therefore means I'm getting rid of it. I just got this H&M dress semi-recently, and I'm keeping it because I love it. Oh no, oh no, oh no, we ran into the whole 2 colors of the same thing again. Here is the white jumpsuit version of this House of Harlow jumpsuit, and then here's the brown version, and here's my reason for keeping them both. Listen here, folks. I just feel like this jumpsuit would look so cute for bachelorette party someday when I get married. This one is just like perfect if I ever go to Vegas, you know? So I don't know. Should I keep both of them? I'm going to, because I'm that person. So there's this dress that I wore in Arizona. I love it, but I feel like I'm getting rid of it and posting it on Poshmark in case one of you guys saw it and you want it. I don't know, I think it would be the perfect bridal thing. No, I can only keep one, and I kept the brown. She says as she brings out another brown jumpsuit and keeps it. This brown jumpsuit I love, however, I never wear it. This dress is from Belle, and I loved it, and I wore it a lot, but I'm like, should I pass it on to a new person? I'm gonna keep it for now, I think. And now we're gonna move on to short dresses. This is gonna be difficult because I am so attached to so many short dresses, but it's gotta get done, kids. It's gotta get done. Okay, so here is the section. Here is the short dress section. I don't see me getting rid of a lot of this stuff because I cleaned out a lot of my short dresses whenever I moved to this house, but I do have an entire thing upstairs that I should probably go through because this is the stuff that I want to wear, and clearly the stuff upstairs that I haven't even thought about. I'm going to get rid of this. I know for a fact. I've only worn it like one time, and it's so cozy, and it's Tula Rosa, so I feel like that would be a good stay-at-home item for someone. Every time I wear this dress in a video, you guys go crazy over it. I'm obsessed with it. It's from And Other Stories. It's a good one. I think I'm gonna get rid of this. I love the color of it, but I just think you guys love it more than I do. Now let's see what everyone is saying about the shirts. Okay, a lot of you guys are saying to keep the brown, which I am going to keep, which I think I agree, because I think the brown will match my house way more. The chances of me picking out something that is the color black is so slim. And I know a lot of people like the color black, so yeah. We are now in my office closet. It is very hot in here, and the stuff behind me are like special occasion dresses that I am not getting rid of. So that's not what we're going through. This box of stuff right here. Alpha Tall Omega or Sweetheart Court. Look how far that got me. Okay, this House of Harlow dress I need to get rid of as well. I'm keeping this one more year at least. Okay, this dress. Coachella last year. I'm gonna get rid of it. First Coachella, I spilt so much wine on this dress with Caitlin. I definitely got pizza on it. I got wine on it. And look, it looks not good as new, but it still looks wearable, and I'm going to keep it. I'm actually going to get rid of that set. Should I keep the white polka dot one shoulder dress? Beige. So that's the pile of stuff we're going to do. So the other thing I have is just a box full of sweaters, but I don't quite want to go through like sweaters and coats just yet, because obviously it's kind of hard to determine if I'm going to wear them considering it's 95 degrees outside. So I'm just going to take the stuff that I cleaned out of that box and take it downstairs and add it to the pile. And then I'm going to start listing them on Actually, no. I'm going to wait to list them on Poshmark. Right? I don't know what to do. It's so hot in here. I'm on my period. And it's like one of those really uncomfortable days where your period feels like it's going to end your life. We're just going to pull through. It's stuck. Okay. So I put my hair up. And after I was done complaining about my period problems, I'm going to... I have this bin of stuff for closet organizational purposes, and it's just like t-shirts and sun tanning clothes, like when not sun tanning, spray tanning clothes that I wear whenever I go get a spray tan. I have a lot of like old Show Me Your Moo stuff, like this dress that is like the perfect sun tanning dress, or not sun tanning, the perfect spray tan dress, because it's like loose and you don't have to worry about it like getting on your leather seats in your car. Life hack. Wow, my hair looks terrible. A stack of t-shirts. Which ones am I going to keep? This one, never worn. Iggy Pop I got, and it's going somewhere to a new home. Cody bought me this one. Keeping. Stay or should it go? This one's expensive. I'm gonna keep it for now. If I don't wear it by the next time I clean up my closet, it will go. This vintage t-shirt, she's gotta stay. She has to stay. This one's a good one. Can't even buy this one anymore. Guitars, Cadillacs, and Hillbilly Music. I haven't worn this. That's going. This thrifted Led Zeppelin shirt, I'm going to keep, even though I don't listen to the Led Zeppelin. Oh, I need to wear this. This is like the perfect sleeper shirt. I bought this to wear as a sleeper shirt, so I'm going to wash that. Ew, you're such a sexy piece. We're going to wash you though, because you're dusty. Active wear, or my matching sets. Okay. Keeping this one. Okay, now we are going to go through the cleaning process, because we desperately need to start cleaning. Wow, look at that under eye concealer. It's hot. Okay, it's a little bit later now, and I am washing all of the clothes that I'm going to be listing on Poshmark and donating. Kind of cleaned this up if you remember what it looked like before. Obviously, it looks not as good as it once did, but yeah, I've got all of my handbags out and got 2 over there. I have a bunch of my sweatsuits right here, t-shirts right there, jeans. I still need to go through this jeans pile, and I need to add the handbags that don't fit over here over there. I still have handbags right here. Hello, it is now Thursday and it has been a minute since I have updated what has been going on with this vlog. So I am currently just on like the final stages of this closet clean out. I mailed out all the Poshmark orders, which is really exciting. Oh, this dress, limited mobility. Yeah, so I'm just like cleaning up the rest of the stuff. Really not that exciting. Putting some of the donations in like a donation pile, and then I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Here is the closet. As you can see, I have a few Louis Vuitton stuff up there. Look at the old box, like that's like vintage basically now. I have my duffel bag stuffed with a bunch of stuff from winter. I do obviously want to get organization that matches a little bit better. So I do want to get organization like this and put them here, because I think that this would be a really good spot for like hair accessories and extra makeup things that I have, because it's good to have backups and I always get stuff in the mail. Up here I have a bunch of shirts, a ton of white shirts. Just right now I think my favorite items, I just wore this set on Instagram today and shot it. It's so cute. It's from Song of Style. This shirt is one of my favorite shirts. It's a Chloe shirt. I think I showed this to you guys earlier in the vlog. Over here is more like winter stuff that I just don't even get into yet. Down here I have a lot of suits. I love me a suit moment. Over here I just have my frequently worn jeans, and then sweats, t-shirts that are cute, like not workout t-shirts, you know what I mean? Down here I have all of my favorite dresses. I have way more dresses than this, but these are like the ones that I like and that I see myself wearing. Like, this is not special occasion stuff, just... I also just got this dress in from Song of Style that I love. I haven't got to wear this yet. This is Camila, her collection from Revolve. I love the colors in it. I just think it's such a pretty color. And then over here I have all of my Maxi dresses and jumpsuits. So you guys saw a lot of these already, so I don't need to go too much into detail. Ugh. I love this Ghani dress so much. Honestly, I had this on display so much better, and I can't remember how I had it. In here, I just have some of my sunglasses. Yeah, I've got a lot of sunglasses. A lot of them aren't in here. I'm missing like a lot of my Gucci and my Versace. In here, I just have bodysuits and leggings. In here, I just have extra pants. And then below that are my shorts. So, ooh, these shorts are so cute. These are from Song of Style as well. That is the updated storage situation. Cleaned everything out. I think it, oh, and I forgot about this row of bags. So this is a Shrimps bag, a Susan Alexander bag, a dupe for a Susan Alexander bag, Pauline Paris, and then Mango Vintage. So, yeah, that's the space. But that is the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure you stick around by subscribing. I don't know if I already mentioned this, but I got my hair cut. So I have like bangs now, which is crazy. If this video was fun to watch, let me know in the comments below. I'll do another one sometime. And until next time, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.